While there are lots of fast food companies struggling to fend over the rise of cutthroat competition, Domino's Pizza has won millions of hearts by expanding and leveraging modern technology into its operations. You might get shocked to know that Domino daily delivers more than 3 million pizzas across the globe on an average. Well, this did not happen overnight. It took lots of years to achieve this milestone. Now, you might be excited to know why Domino's has captured a huge slice in the pizza market and why your pizza parlor should also embrace building a mobility platform to better connect with customers. Hold on, today we will throw some light on how Domino's works, its business and its revenue model. So let's get started. Pizza is the most loved food among all age groups, and when it comes to Domino's, no one ever dares to resist. Domino's has built an impressive and huge following in the pizza market. The brand manages to capitalize on the delight of pizza worldwide. In addition, Domino's keeps evolving with technological advancements and customer preferences. Today, Domino's undoubtedly is with more than 12,500 stores across 80 plus locations, earning a lot of profits. The brand has changed lot of things to entice customers, from modifications in the menu to improvements in pizza recipes. Living in the digitally connected world, the brand also has changed its operations. Domino's historical success. In 1960, Domino's Pizza was founded by two brothers in Michigan, USA. They were working at a small restaurant and got paid $500. Later, in order to fulfill their dreams, they bought around $900 and opened a pizza outlet named Domino's. Later, Domino's opened its first franchise location in 1967 and 1978. Gradually, you can see that there are more than 17,000 stores operates of Domino's worldwide. The company also launched its first international store in 1983 in Manitoba. Later, it continued to expand its operations across UK and Japan. When it completed 38 years in the pizza market, the founder of Domino's announced retirement and sold his 93% of shares to private firm Bain Capital for over $1 billion. In the year 2004, the company went public and was listed on New York Stock Exchange and raised $339 million to its first IPO. Domino's Pizza remains one of the popular pizza chains across the globe and beating its close rivals such as Pizza Hut, US Pizza, Papa John's Pizza and many more. Today, Domino operates in more than 17,000 plus locations with more than 10,000 plus delivery providers and over 350,000 employees across 85 countries, including America, Asia, Pacific, Europe, Middle East and South Africa. The brand has a current market valuation of around $11.73 billion and delivers 3 million pizzas every single day. The first vegan Domino pizza was launched in Israel using cheese for gooey toppings. In the year 2018, Domino's was the only brand that had sold maximum pizzas across the globe, and New Year is the busiest and the most profitable day for Domino's. If you see some of the technological advancements, in order to meet the rising demand of customers, Domino's has also launched an online ordering facility and offering customers numerous digital ways to place orders. More than 75% of Domino's international market holds online ordering. Most US adults order pizza online, and the brand offers its customers quick delivery with exclusive deals and real-time tracking facility. Domino has also enabled customers to place an order through wearable devices as well. Domino is also testing drone and robot delivery overseas to make doorstep delivery swift, accurate and fast. If you see very specific, the business model of Domino's is straightforward, as it either sells pizza or rents franchise stores for its customers. Domino's very specifically focuses on customer segments with a huge customer base globally. The brand's major target is youth, working professionals and event organizers. The brand also runs effective marketing campaigns that target different mega events and offers them huge discount and leads to boost their sales and increase brand value across the globe. Very specifically, along with the value proposition, what Domino's provides is, along with digital ordering and global expansion, which we have already discussed earlier. It also gives users an accessibility where users can directly visit store and take away pizza at their own convenience. It has also set up a supply chain management where Domino's has an integrated dough manufacturing and supply chain system that ensures the quality and consistency of its franchise stores all across the world. Very specifically, when we talk about the revenue sources, the primary revenue source of Domino's is from selling pizza, as it contains the maximum part of its revenue. Along with that revenue, it receives revenue from advertisements, sponsorships as the second largest source of income, and its application has a huge number of downloads. In addition, Domino's also generates a significant amount of revenue from royalty and franchisees fees received from its franchisee partners. In 2018, Domino's Pizza generated total revenue of around $3.34 billion, which was higher than the brand value generated itself in 2017. When we specifically talk about Domino's Pizza in India, the first Domino's Pizza in India opened in New Delhi in 1986. India surpassed the United Kingdom and became the Domino's second largest market in December 2014, leaving behind United States as well. Domino's Pizza operates 1,495 stores across 322 Indian cities as on 31st December 2021. Domino began accepting online orders in India in 2011, and online orders accounted for more than 18 to 20% as of December 2012. In December 2016, the Center of Science and Environment reported that Domino's bread was laced with toxins and carcinogenics such as potassium bromide and potassium iodide. Potassium bromide is a category 2B carcinogen, meaning it can cause cancer, whereas potassium bromide was banned in India in June 2016. In 2017, a customer in Delhi claimed to have found live bugs in Domino's Pizza seasoning sachets. A video of the same went viral and created a huge buzz. This prompted Domino's to stop giving seasoning sachets for some time, and when they restarted, they changed the packaging from transparent to opaque. So what are your views about the journey of Domino's? Do let me know in the comment section, and if you like this video, share it with someone who would benefit from it.